Every day, every week, someone will always say AI is replacing another job. So are there any job that is even safe? The answer might actually surprise you, but let's go on. Ever since AI became the main deal, there's one question that keeps coming up. Will AI take my job? That's quite understandable. After all, we always see AI writing articles, generating images, answer questions, translate languages, and even AI can now write computer code. It almost feels like there's absolutely nothing it can't do. But here is something most people don't realize. AI does not actually replace jobs. It just replaces tasks. And most jobs are made up of repetitive, predictable tasks that are easier to automate than normal jobs that kind of require creativity, trust, or human interaction. Now let's look at some examples. First is cybersecurity professionals. Now before you say, but AI can detect threats. Yes, you are right, it can. AI is already helping cybersecurity teams to identify suspicious activities way much faster than human beings. But when a real attack happens, someone still needs to investigate what actually occurred, and also they need to understand the business impacts, make difficult decisions, and probably coordinate a response. AI is a powerful assistant, yes, no doubt, but it is not a decision maker. Now, secondly, let's look at the doctor and healthcare professionals. AI can analyze medical images and assist with diagnosis. But patients don't just need information, they need communication, empathy, judgment, and someone who can make complex decisions when situations change. Technology will help the doctors, quite alright, but not replace them completely. Now let's look at the next one, teachers. Yes, AI can explain mathematics, it can answer questions, it can even create lesson plans. But education is not just transferring information, it is motivating students, recognizing when someone is struggling, adapting to different personalities, building confidence, and so on. These attributes or these qualities are difficult to automate. Fourth, skilled trades. Skilled trade like electricians, plumbers, carpenters, mechanics. These jobs happens in unpredictable environments because every building is different, every repair is different, every problem requires physical adaptation. Quite alright, robots are improving, but replacing these professions at scale is much harder than replacing repetitive office work. Now the fifth is leadership and management. Many people often think that managers just assign tasks, but great leaders resolve conflicts, inspire teams, negotiate, build trust, and make difficult decisions when there is not a perfect answer. These responsibilities depend heavily on emotional intelligence, something that AI usually struggles with. Now the next one is creative directors and designers. Of course, AI can create or generate incredible images and videos, but creativity isn't just producing content. It is deciding why something should exist, understanding the culture, creating original ideas, and probably connecting emotionally with audience. AI can generate, yes of course, humans still create that direction. And finally, entrepreneurs. AI can help to run a business, but starting one requires spotting opportunities, taking risks, adapting quickly, and making decisions that probably with incomplete information. Those are the human strengths, but that's just one part of the story. Now here's the interesting part. Every job on the list will change because of AI. Doctors will use AI, teachers will use AI, even cybersecurity professionals already use AI, designers use AI, business owners use AI. The people who succeed won't be the ones avoiding it. They'll be the ones learning how to work with it. That's the real lesson here. History shows that Technology does not just eliminate jobs, it actually transforms them. After all, the internet did, smartphones did, cloud computing did, and AI too will do the same. So instead of asking, will AI replace me? You can just ask a better question. How can I use AI to make me better in what I do? Because that is where the future is leading. So if you are quite interested in building a future-proof digital skill and understanding how technology works, check the link in my bio to get your free ebook. AI is not replacing people, it is just replacing those who don't know how to use it.